Thank you for staying with us right here on Channel 15 ATV. On the island, local artists are certainly beginning to come out of their shell onto an international platform. Constantly, we are seeing social media how Arubans are supporting other fellow islanders on their strive for success. A particular artist who has been catching the community's eye throughout the past couple of weeks is Zyon, an Aruban-born and raised composer, singer, and rapper. This week, he released his first ever music video named Perspectiva, which literally translates to perspective in English. Check it out.
Danke pa nami buhatin siyong awo Ipuro baval kada zen kumibisa mesumbong Hendalo kritikami promego ng comprendemi Naludo nami nombre promego ng conocemi Pero mo perde feding hende capa Hende grande com mente crepte Cabeça baixi boca e em palavra Com o futuro de mi isla da pinta Tu costa fau de governo e cena da bisa Se na mesma situação, lanta uma ne cachou e o que bluff em ter subida pe atenção. Rende tá uma experiência para sabedoria, pero tem renda da cresce e nunca nantacinha. Tem renda que ata negativo para renter na vida e ora coisa não bom no drenta não caminda. Se arubiano tem progresso na pecho, de como não está pegado em tempo contra tu crescimento. Perspectiva de jovem ribong isla.
For more tunes by this local artist, you can visit his Facebook page, Zyon. Thank you so much for watching these real local news updates and trending Aruba topics. Be sure to like our 15 on 15 Facebook and Instagram page for all of your latest news updates. Also, don't forget to tune back in tomorrow night at 7:15 p.m. for more 15 on 15 right here on Channel 15 ATV. See ya then.